Guys, how to edit a Google Docs document. I'm going to show you how to do a table of contents to stay organized. So for example, we've got a launch going on. We haven't got the date set yet, but we need to do a JV doc for the affiliates. Now, what you have to do, for example, is make that a heading 1. Now, we've already started this off. So I want to go to ATO 3 because there's usually about 3 heading 2. There you go, heading 2. Now it's there. See? Now, that's going to be heading 1, and these are heading 2. So for each section that you want as a master, for example, contact info, we need that on each document. So we're going to add that in. Oh no, sorry. Ooh, add heading 1, contact info. Then that will change each time. Then we want the logo. Yeah, so we'll do that as heading 1. So that is how you do it. So that next time you can copy this over. And then if you're working on the logo and then you want to go back up to the front end offer, you can actually save time. This is Diane Hagoff, Millionaire Mom, helping you save time and save money with your online marketing journey. Click the link below for more details on Builderall, and I'll see you on the next video.